11,309 calls in the money expiring July 9th. If we can close above $50 on Friday, that figure will go up by 16,000 calls. Currently, there are 1.2 million shares available to borrow. Looking at the options data, there are 11,309 ITM calls expiring this Friday, but a whopping 72,844 ITM calls expiring this year on July 16th. 40,770 ITM calls expiring on August 20th, 2021. 111,919 ITM calls expiring on September 17th, 2021. 171,675 ITM calls expiring on January 21st, 2022. And finally, 85,016 ITM calls expiring on January 20th, 2023. Guys, this is insane and could potentially trigger a gamma squeeze. For those of you who are new to the channel, a gamma squeeze happens when the underlying stock's price begins to go up very quickly within a short period of time. As more money flows into call options from investors, that forces more buying activity, which can lead to higher stock prices. Okay, moving on to the trading data. For today, July 6th, 2021, the short percentage is at 38.5% and dark pool percentage at 59.7%. These values will vary from publication to publication, but we know short interest is insanely high and so are the dark pool percentages. All right, jumping over to some other news. Betting against meme stocks could get you seriously burned. This article is courtesy of CNN. Let's see what they have to say. Many investors are still betting against top momentum and Reddit meme stocks, despite getting burned in the process. Another popular short with TradeZero America clients, AMC, but the movie theater chain's shares have soared an astounding 2,350% in 2021, fueled by massive support from an army of Reddit traders who are betting that Hollywood's triumphant box office comeback will continue. It just goes to show how risky it is to invest in a stock because you think its price will go down. Short sellers borrow shares and sell them with the hopes of buying the stock again at a lower price so they can pocket the difference between the price they sold at and the repurchase price. Investors may not be buying into the fact that some of these stocks should go up this quickly. They think that what goes up must come down and that they will run out of gas, said Dan Pipitone, co-founder of TradeZero. What goes up sometimes keeps going up. The problem with this strategy is that if a stock goes up, the loss on the short position increases and multiplies the higher the price goes. And that's why some of the short sellers are giving up on their bearish bets. It's too painful to short a stock with strong investor support in the hope that driving the stock higher will squeeze short sellers into submission. Guys, keep in mind with a short position the losses could be infinite. It's one thing to be long and wrong, said TradeZero America's Pipitone, noting that an investor doesn't have to take a loss on a stock until they sell the shares. But if you are holding a stock short, it can get prohibitively expensive. That might be the case with GameStop. The video game retailer has become the quintessential meme stock over the past year. Shorts argue that COVID-related retail shutdowns and a shift towards digital game downloads would lead to financial ruin for the company. But GameStop fans came in full support of the stock, arguing the changes made by prominent new investor, now GameStop's chairman Ryan Cohen of Chewy fame, would turn the company around. For now, it appears as the bulls have won as the shorts are throwing in the towel on GameStop. Shares are up 950% in 2021 alone, soaring nearly 4,600% in the past 12 months. According to research firm S3 Partners, GameStop has had the biggest reduction in shares being held short of any stock over the past 30 days. Airbnb and media giant ViacomCBS, under the ticker VIAC, have also experienced a sizable drop in the number of shares being shorted. Still, S3 noted that short sellers are once again targeting AMC despite the stock's ginormous rally this year. In short, guys, the apes are winning and it is only a matter of time before the hedge funds run out of steam. We have so many catalysts going for AMC stock, just remember to be patient. That's going to do it for today's video.